Well, how's everybody doing on this Sunday night? Let's do a little update video. I was hoping to have a full video out for you today. No, wasn't going to happen. We've been in the field all day. Just got off the phone with James. I believe he's doing an update video right now. So I decided I'm going to do one as well and let you know what's going on. First off, it's rather cool. It is rather cool and, well, it's dark. Dark and cold. We've been in the field all day today. Getting a lot done. Gonna get a lot more done tomorrow. And then guess what? There's a chance of snow. Yes, that dirty 4-letter word, snow, tomorrow night. So we'll see what happens. And then I think again Wednesday. I think more on Wednesday, like 1 to 3, or I thought I saw a night and then the next day 1 to 3, one night, 1 to 3 the next day. We do not need 6 inches of snow. As far as the Bronco, holding off on this girl until after harvest. There's just I can't predict what's going to go on day to day right now. And so that's what's up with that. As far as the shop going on, I keep rolling over numbers and going through things in my head with that. Anyway, I do have a video. I have a video shot. It's not made yet. I have to put it in the editor and get it all done and everything. And I just didn't feel like doing that tonight, although it's only 8:30 tonight. I could do it, but to be honest with you, I'm tired and I just don't feel like doing it. I got to get up early in the morning, go back out to the field. So James, I think, is going to have, if you don't know who I'm talking about, James over at Central Oregon Shenanigans, go check out his channel, Central Oregon Shenanigans. Just got done doing a collaboration over there and stuff. But anyway, he's going to have a pretty good video coming out, I believe, on I think it's a 79 pickup that he did some things on this weekend. Not at his place, but should be entertaining. So go check that out. Also check out Zane at Hodgepodge Dodge Garage. He just put up a new video. He's just starting out on YouTube, so give him some support. We like what he does. Just go over there, check him out. If you like it, hit that subscribe button. So anyway, guys, not a whole lot going on right now. Got out of the field a little bit ago and going to head to the house here shortly because, like I said, have to get up and go to the field tomorrow. Buddy, Abby, and Jesse were down here a little while ago. Buddy, I tell you what, I haven't seen him run like he ran today since he got shot. I came home here I think it was about 1 o'clock. Drove the tractor in here. Well, he was out in this field, which you can't see because it's dark. Anyway, he was out there about halfway to the fence on the south side. He saw me pull in, and he wasn't trotting like he usually does. He was about in a dead run getting up here. And tonight, my wife and daughter got home from my wife's parents. She had to go to work for a few hours tonight, but anyway, got up there in the house with my daughter, and Buddy, he was the most rambunctious of all 3 of those dogs, just jumping around and just all full of energy. But anyway, guys, just giving you a quick little update here. The farm work is going good, and that's what is going on right now, full force. When I get done with that, we're going to get back on the Bronco. We're going to get back on the old shop. I don't know why I'm pointing at this wall over there, but it's over that direction. Get back on the old shop and start making things happen. So that's what's going on tonight, guys. Go check out James at Central Oregon Shenanigans and Zane at Hodgepodge Dodge Garage. Give them some support. Kyle, he's been off on a hunting trip. Kyle, part of Central Oregon Shenanigans, he's been out hunting. I don't know if he got anything or not. I haven't really heard a lot from him. hopefully he has a little update video for us. We'll find out. But we'll get back to your regularly scheduled programming here shortly. Just wanted to give you a little update. I wanted to put a full video up today. Just haven't had the time to edit. I do have time to edit right now, and I have a video in the works, but I'm just kind of tired, guys, and I apologize. I just don't feel like throwing it together. If we get precipitation tomorrow, rain, snow, whatever, maybe I'll have a few hours where I can throw something together and get it up for you. So anyway, guys, that's what's going on here at the Fox shop, and we'll catch you later. Bye-bye.